I'm recording.
Hey, you guys! I just came back from the Philippines, man. It's so fun. I'm so ghetto. See, look, I have a big shirt, and I'm wearing shorts and chinelas. Oh, whoops. You know, over here
And
in
big
Seattle.
thick
Hey,
sunglasses.
hey, my picture, man. Get out of here.
Hi. Hey, Ate Duck.
Hello. My picture. That's my
Ooh,
camera.
I'm
No. You take me picture. Me take me picture.
LJ.
No, you
Get in the way, get in the way, get in the way.
Hey, you bad. You're very bad.
Stop talking like you're from...
I'm a voter.
From
India.
From India.
Bakit?
You don't sound like Filipino
Voter.
accent.
I can't do Filipino accent anymore. Ay, hindi mo nahulog.
Go home, you butter.
Saan? Ganun.
Saya-saya. So many people.
Can you try?